the effect, because you don't have to really be perfect with it. And then I just kind of added glitter to add some extra sparkle, like the stars. Because anyways, I did decide to add my own stars with the white gel polish, which I'll show you here in a minute. And what I'm doing is I'm just adding clear so I can get like this milky white effect, so I can kind of add different tones of the white on the nail. Just kind of gives it a little more oomph, I guess you could say, more dimension, more, you know. It's just showing you kind of what the milky color looks like on the nail versus the actual white, which is a very pigmented white. And I did do these little kind of big, so I actually, off camera, I wiped those off and made them smaller, and you'll see at the end I kind of use a smaller dotting tool to make those little shiny